Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market and let's discuss the Nifty Bank chart. We'll analyze the important key levels for the next week. Along with that, we'll share some important FII's data, important reason for the market crash in this week, last week. All we will discuss in one video today. So to know the Nifty Bank levels and all update, stay connected till then and smash the like button. Subscribe the channel also for stock market update and for wealth creation. So let's start video first of all with the FII's important data and FII's important data analysis. So I have opened this FII's data for the last week only for the from 19th January to 23rd January Friday, and you can see and you all already know I guess that the stock market crash happened in last week. I will show you everything in the chart, but first of all let's understand the FIS selling scenario for the last week. And you can see from Monday the way it started, it was 3,200 on Monday January and 19th January, and 20th January it was 2,900 around, and then on 21st January it went down little bit, 1,700 1,700 thousand 1,700 crore, and then again it started increasing. And you can see on Friday what all happened. It went to more than 4,000 crore. 4,000 crore the FII's outflow happened on Friday in Indian stock market. So from 3,000 crore to 4,000 crore बीच में थोड़ा कम हुआ, but still started from the highest higher selling and even closed this week with the more higher selling from the FIIs. So that means FII selling is not actually going to stop, at least looking like that. And overall you can say they have sold around 40,000 crores DIS purchase. You can see the DIS data also. They were continuously purchasing. It was 4,000 crore on Monday, and even whole week they have bought very nicely, and they have even closed more like 4,100 crore. तो 4,100 करोड़ से इन्होंने क्लोज किया. ओवरऑल द एवरेज वाज 4,000 करोड़ from the DIIs, but FIIs only selling. We can say yes, DIIs balancing the figure. So these are FIIs and DIIs data. Reason behind it, even my last week video I have shared, and again I'm sharing that the biggest reason was that the Trump has announced a 10% tariff on the European countries because they are not standing by with his decision of Greenland पे जो उनका stance है, they are opposing it, and that's why the Trump has imposed the tariff of 10% on them, that European Union, from the 1st of February. And even they are the European countries are retaliating. वो इसका we can say कि oppose करेंगे. They are planning, and they are also planning to impose a tariff on US also. So this is on the card, and this was the biggest reason for the fall. The metal is doing very good. The GSW Steel posted the very good result. They have posted the net profit. Their net profit risen by more than 200, but the 200% से उनका profit बढ़ गया है, and that is very good from the JSW Steel Metal. And even BPCL also posted very good. They have also posted 89% jump in their profit. So I hope you all are tracking the Q3 updates. Overall, these are the important reason behind the stock market crash. Or now we will go to the chart and we'll analyze what was all happening in the last week. And you can see, even I will say that Nifty Bank is much better than Nifty 50. Nifty 50 ko I will share tomorrow in Sunday video, and along with that I will share the USD INR data also, because the USD INR, our Indian rupees, is at record low. So I will share that chart also, USD INR, and will share the global market updates. Along with that, I will share the Nifty 50 data in tomorrow video. Please watch that video and put your notification on. Here to here, it is almost has fallen more than 3%, I guess. And yes, uh, this trend line I have drawn, you can see, and you can see why I have drawn this trend line here. From here it has given breakout from this gap, and this from here breakout, and then taken that support on this trend line, and then again went here to the high, and traded and consolidated in this range for this for so many days. And from again then it has taken a I can say good support here on the same trend line here which I have drawn, and again on this day, on Friday, also taken support on this trend line. But these 2 3 days last week, from the last week, these 2 3 1 2 and 3 2 3 days is not looking good. It is looking like very negative for the next week if we predict about the scenario for the next week. And here you can see, if it is broken by the Nifty Bank, this trend line, keep your eyes on this trend line which I have drawn. If it Nifty Bank is breaking this trend line, this line is imminent, this support is imminent, which is the last swing low, which is 57,150 exact. We can say 57,150. You can take it as a 57,100 also, no problem. So this 57,150 will be a important support, next support after breaking this support of 58,300, we can say. This support, 58,300, breaking this support, it will it will fall to this level of 57,150. So these two support is very very crucial. You have to keep your close eyes on these support next week. First, 58,300, which is actually almost, it has touched, and this candle is looking very very strong negatively. So this candle is showing, अगर यहाँ से रिवर्सल ले लेता है, if it's taking reversal from here, तो again it will go to this level of this resistance. But the candle is showing that is not strong, means it is weaker, and it may break this line, the support line, next week, and may fall to the level of 57,150. Resistance is definitely 59,400 around, which I am taking for the next week. For the short term, I am not going beyond this level, resistance level, which is 20 EMA also. This blue line is 20 EMA, which is giving a good resistance from last 3 days. You can see here also, which is 59,400 around 450. Then again here 500 has touched, and then again here 59,400. So 59,400 will be a very important रेजिस्टेंस फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक. और उसके बाद अगर इसको ब्रेक कर देता है बाय चांस, तो इट मे गो टू द लेवल ऑफ 60,100, द ओल्ड हाई 60,100. बट अभी आई एम नॉट जंपिंग ऑन दिस लेवल, बिकॉज आई डोंट find it that it is very easily going to break this resistance in short term in the next week. सो प्लीज वॉच दिस रेजिस्टेंस ऑल्सो. अगर ब्रेक कर देता है तो फिर ये 60,100 के लिए यू कैन गेट रेडी. बट यप, it is not breaking, so फिर then you have to get ready for this level of 57,150. So this was overall last week scenario which I discussed as 3% से ज़्यादा fall हुआ, crash हुआ. See, 1 2 3 4 5 whole week only continuously fall was happening from here. From here a crash start हुआ, yes. On from here the crash, the fall started happening, and overall 1 2 3 days it has touched the lowest level, lowest swing. सो यहाँ तक जाने के बाद 58,200 के भी पास, आई कैन से 58,270, यस, वहाँ भी पहुँच गया था। बट वहाँ से फिर इसने एक दिन तो अच्छा गैप अप ओपनिंग देके इट हैज़ गिवन अ गुड साइन, बट वहाँ पे भी इसने कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट किया। दिस कैंडल शोज द कंफ्यूजन from here to here fallen, means from 59,400 to 59,000, we can say 350 तक पहुंच गया, 58,350। ओवरऑल मोर देन 1,000 पॉइंट का फॉल इन ओनली इन वन डे, 59,400 टू 58,300, मोर देन 1,000 का फॉल एक ही दिन में ऑन फ्राइडे इट इज डन। Recovery which happened this day, all recovery has gone in one day only. And I'm again saying that this candle is looking very very negative. So prepared for the next week. Please keep your close watch on these support and get ready for this level after breaking this. So 50 bank level, I will mention important support is 58,300, and then 57,150, and resistance of course 59,400। रेजिस्टेंस की तो क्या ही बात करें। तो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट वीक ये कहाँ तक जाता है, किस रेजिस्टेंस तक जाता है। Tomorrow, watch the video for the global market, USD INR, gold, silver, everything. I already discussed the silver chart in my last video, discussed the levels, and you all know that gold, silver is every day touching the new records high, and new highs पे high बनाता जा रहा है gold और silver दोनों ही। So I will share the gold also in coming time, but this weekend, this Sunday, I am discussing the USD INR in detail. So please watch that video, and yes, like and share and subscribe the channel for stock market update and wealth creation.